Trauma release exercises are not about force or drama. They are about teaching your body what safety feels like again. Picture a day that looks calm on the outside while your chest is tight and your heart will not settle. That is not weakness. That is protection. Your nervous system learned to scan for danger, and it kept scanning long after the storm passed. The body remembers what the mind forgets. When you offer gentle signals of safety, the alarms begin to fade. You do not need to relive the past to heal in the present. You need small moments of completion that say it is over now. Stay with me and let your breath move. Your body can learn a new rhythm. Many people think release must look explosive to work. That belief keeps them stuck. Real healing is quiet and contained. It happens in small doses that your nervous system can trust. Another myth says, talking is enough. Words help organize memory. Yet the body also holds patterns in muscle tone and breath. A final myth says, these practices replace therapy. They do not. They support it. Trauma release exercises prepare the body for deeper work, but professional care is often needed to process the roots of the pain. When you let go of these myths, you stop chasing dramatic catharsis and start practicing real safety. You shift from trying to fix yourself to learning how to listen. Your body wants to complete what it could not finish. It needs room to do that without pressure. Your alarm system is fast and ancient. The amygdala keeps watch. The vagus nerve helps you slow down. The prefrontal cortex tries to reassure you that you are safe. When stress loops never finish, the body keeps bracing. Gentle movement and slow breathing send new data up the chain. They tell the brain that the danger has passed. Studies on body-based therapies show reductions in tension and better heart rate regulation when people practice brief and repeated regulation moments. Think of each calm breath and each soft tremor as a message that travels through nerves and muscles toward the brain. The message is simple. You can stand down now. With that frame, we move into 3 practices. Sometimes the problem is trapped survival energy that never discharged. You feel wired and tired at once. The practice is simple. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips a few inches and hold. Notice the gentle quiver in your thighs or calves. Let it happen. Do not push. Do not stop it. Lower your hips when the tremor eases and rest. Say to yourself, my body was designed to shake stress away. The expected effect is a sense of warmth and a soft drop in tension as the stress cycle completes. That leads us to the second practice. The problem here is a breath pattern that tells your body to stay on guard. Short inhales and rushed exhales keep the alarm alive. The practice asks you to lengthen the out-breath. Sit or lie down with your jaw soft. Inhale through your nose for a slow count of 4. Exhale through your mouth for a steady count of 7. Pause gently before the next inhale. Repeat 10 to 12 cycles while you feel the air move through your chest. Whisper this line if it helps. Every long exhale tells my nervous system I am safe. The expected effect is a drop in heart rate and a settling of the shoulders as the calm down pathway engages. That leads us to the third practice, The problem now is disconnection from the body. Many people describe a floating feeling or a sense of being slightly outside themselves. The practice uses gentle pressure and slow rhythm. Sit or lie down. Place a soft weight over your thighs or across your upper chest. A folded blanket or a pillow works well. Begin to sway a few millimeters side to side. Let the weight meet you. Imagine that gravity is a kind hand. Say this as you move. Gravity is not pulling me down, it is holding me. The expected effect is deeper breathing and a warm sense of being held in place as your body map sharpens. What you just practiced is not a shortcut. It is a language lesson. Your body learns safety through repetition and sensation. Each small tremor is a completion signal. Each long exhale is a peace signal. Each weighted sway is a location signal. Put them together and the alarms grow quieter. Healing is not about erasing the past. Healing is about teaching the body a new present. These practices are a complement to therapy, not a replacement. They prepare the nervous system for deeper healing while offering relief in daily life. If this resonates, you likely know that anxiety does not show up the same way for everyone. Patterns hide in breath, heart rhythm, and muscle tone. If you want a clear next step, take my quiz and discover your personal anxiety profile in 3 minutes. You will see the science behind your emotional patterns and one practical step that fits the way your body responds. Take my quiz and turn today's practice into a plan that supports real calm. Click the link in the pinned comment or in the description and take the quiz now.